Hey guys, today I'm going to what is portable gas stove, unbox and how to use. So unbox. What brand was this? Cheap brand. The DIY. Okay. This portable gas stove. Okay. This was the user manual. Step 1, 2, 3. Ready and heat. Okay. So now I'm going to take it out. Okay, this was the cassette gas cylinder. Okay, make sure you already installed. Just now you just close it. This lever you press to down. Okay. Press down. You just must have the light. Okay, you can control the power. Okay, you can control it. So you can off it and push out the gas. You can take it out if you don't use it already. Okay. So this is the gas. So I'll make one more time demo for this. So very easy to use. This is the valve. Okay, make sure you have this lah. You lock it. So what you need to do is just slot in, and you close it also can. Okay, close it and just push it again. Use already. When the one, you just take it out. Okay, and open it up. So that's all for this very simple video for this portable gas stove. Okay, you can bring it anywhere. When you already finish everything, you don't want it, just take it out. Make sure keep at a safe place, because this is flammable gas. It's dangerous. So make sure it's keep away from the kids or the children. Okay. So that's all for this video. Like this video, please give us a like, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, so beside that they have normally they have instruction over here. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.